Hi, Martin here from Bike Ventures. Today we're looking at the Addo Air 20 range. I'm on the Addo Air 20 Pro, so let's get into it. So here it is, the Addo Air 20 Pro. The 20 range is very similar, as you'll see from the photos and the specs. The Pro has the 2-speed rear hub and the belt drive. The Ultra has the 3-speed rear hub, which is the main difference. There is some other minor differences.
So let's have a look at the display now.
So here is that display, very clear, right at your fingertips. At the moment it's on 0 power, but just power up, power down. Tells you your speed. Obviously it's stationary at the moment. At the moment it's in kilometers, but you can change that. It's got a few other features which are obviously in the manual. You can see the really nice finish on the hydraulic brakes, really nice grips. Obviously comes with a bell, fully adjustable handlebars. You can adjust the handlebars up and down, and you can rotate them back and forth just a little bit. You've got lockout on the front suspension. Comes with the lights, front and rear. You can see it's got Bafang rear motor. Pedals that fold up, really nice look. You just push them in, flip them up, really nice. Lockable seat clamp, which is a nice feature. Comes with a little key, so you can't. Nobody can steal the battery because you can't get it off without the key. Obviously, this is a really nice feature. Actually, you just twist that, and out it comes. Really sweet. Look at the way it, as I pop it in, it clips in. Really sweet. That is. Power on here. So that is the Addo Air 20 Pro.
Thanks for watching. If you need any help choosing an electric bike or you've got any other questions, please do get in touch.